Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle.
Oyster sauce, I never even heard of that.
Oyster sauce. Boom. I got jumped off an aerial accident the first time I came out this place.
Oh shit. Alright, what's up? My boy says pop. This is crazy. Like, I swear it was 10,000 girls
Colombia or Thailand,
just grabbing us. Just grabbing us.
Colombia or Thailand?
Thailand. Did my partner shit, you know what I'm saying? The boy over here staying in Thailand, you know what I'm talking about? The boy got the 3-bedroom condo, I'm talking about, I'm gonna show y'all the building, this thing here real nice, you know what I'm saying?
Three coming in wild.
So no, that boy in here cook, I'm talking about an American in here cooking Thai food. That's what it do to you, look, straight up Thai ingredients, you know what I'm saying? Shit we don't even got in America. Y'all see how this shit look like.
Wow.
Like, for real. Yeah, we're gonna hit the city later on, y'all. You know what I'm saying, to see what this shit looking like. This shit look real expensive. The Arcadia Millennium. Look at that view. That's what I'm saying. That's what I gotta show them, like the fucking facial recognition. I ain't never seen this.
Yeah, you gotta put your face in the thing.
You know what I'm saying? Like you literally gotta put your face in the elevator on the little screen. And if you don't recognize your face, you ain't getting up here. Like for real, you ain't getting up here, nigga.
Talo. Sorry.
Tastes like Thai. Watch. You gonna try it and then you gonna fuck around and try Thai food.
I can believe it. Watch this shit right here, y'all.
You got a picture of me, dude.
This shit is crazy. Like,
okay, we good.
You gotta put your face on that thing.
Yeah.
Like I said, if you don't put your face on there, nigga, you ain't getting in. Fucking building is fucking dope. You know what I'm saying? This some the Arcadia Millennium. This some nice shit right here. It's my partner shit. I said we just finna stroll to the store. My nigga trying to get something to drink. So we just finna step out real quick. You know what I'm saying? Little pre-game. This ain't nothing but the pre-game. Out here on the Thailand streets. The Millennium Tower, that was it. When I was on the motorcycle, you know what I'm saying, we kind of seen it from a distance, but we here now. Outside the Arcadia Millennium. We just strolling. Gonna go to the market and probably get us something to drink. See what we can see. But they ain't finna get cracking yet, cause it's still early, you know what I'm saying? It's still early around here. Man, I ain't heard of nothing.
Oh, man.
What is soy 6?
I got you, bro. I only been 2 times. I'm gonna show you something, bro. Fuck it, I'm taking you out, bro.
Say no more.
After I cook this food, we finna go, bro.
Say no more. So soy 6, we finna head.
Yeah, bro.
And we finna see what that shit looking like. You hear me?
I ain't gonna say nothing else to you about this shit.
I don't even look.
See, bro.
Look, I don't know what to expect.
You finna go crazy. I promise you.
We finna see.
Fuck it, I'm going. I only been 2 times, bro. I ain't never fucked no bitches there, but I'm gonna show you some shit, bro. You gonna be like, this shit crazy, bro.
Uh-oh, y'all.
Watch.
This finna be something to solve. Boy, I wanna be like,
I'm gonna hop in the
soy
car.
6, we finna see.
Oh, they don't know?
They don't know.
Watch.
I don't know, they don't know. But we finna see tonight.
Oh, I gotta show you.
We finna see.
Gotta show you, bro.
We just cool it right now. You know what I'm saying? Finna go chill for a little bit. And we finna come back out. Oh yeah, okay. see it.
I gotta get you, bro. I gotta show you, bro. Nigga, I got dropped off here on accident, nigga. Swear to God. Nigga, I was like, what the fuck is this?
This nigga say he got dropped off by accident.
I ain't even gonna tell you why. I was like, what the fuck? I'm gonna show you why. You gonna be like, what the fuck, nigga?
Okay.
I promise you, you're gonna be shocked, nigga. Watch, you gonna see? I'm finna cook this Thai food. I'm finna get in the shower, get dressed, and we're finna go out, nigga.
Say no more. Y'all seen that boy got the fingerprint dough. Like fingerprint dough, like where they doing this shit at?
Yeah, that's what I said.
I ain't never seen that. I just keep saying that around here. I ain't never seen that. Yeah, for real. I ain't never seen that. It's the facial recognition on the elevator, the fingerprint dough. Never seen that. Like for real. No. This boy got me drinking some. What is this? Leo. We on the Thai bill.
God.
Living the flyway, the Thai way.
God. Show my homie how to.
Oh yeah, bro been here chefing it up too. You know what I'm saying? Like this nigga cooking Thai food.
Watch, you gonna see it and you gonna be like, that shit don't like it's nothing.
The ingredients probably cheap too.
Simple, bro. Cost like, for all the ingredients, cost like $3.
Alright, so what's this called right here?
It's called kapow. Kapow, it's my favorite Thai dish. And I thought I was tripping when I first found out that I like this shit. And I meet a lot of Thai people, they say it's their favorite dish too, so I think I'm on the right path.
Kapow.
Kapow. Oil. Garlic and Thai chili.
Thai chili.
Yes, sir. Garlic and Thai chili. All right. Garlic and Thai chili. Then I'm gonna throw this meat on this bitch.
What kind of meat that is?
Pork.
Okay.
I was hoping you wasn't a Muslim when I said it. I meant chicken. Chicken.
I get down, man. Like I don't discriminate.
I was gonna be like, I meant chicken. Nah, I ain't gonna make you eat nothing that you don't want to eat. But
I got you.
It's pork. It's fire though. It's mince. It's mince. They call it mince, like it's chopped up.
Minced pork.
So then you get this. You get the soy sauce. This is how soy sauce look. It's oyster sauce. Boom. All right.
Thai soy sauce, Thai oyster sauce.
Yeah. So you put the soy sauce. Boom. Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. I never even heard of that.
Oyster sauce. Boom. Then you get sugar.
Sugar.
Boom. MSG. Boom. Mix it.
It's already smelling good.
Yeah.
That boy just added the basil in, the fresh basil.
Thai basil. Gotta be Thai basil.
You smell the basil, the chili and the garlic. We finna try this out. He says it's a big dish out here in Thailand. Let's try this shit. I didn't know what to expect in the taste.
Good.
But it tastes good, bro. Like, for real, for real. Thai food. So we finna hit this soy 6, you know what I'm saying?
You don't even know what you're about to get yourself into, nigga.
You hear this, man?
You don't even know what you're gonna get yourself into.
I really don't, you know what I'm saying? But we finna see. We finna see what this Thailand city like. Soy 6. So the soys is like streets and areas or something? I got you.
You don't see, nigga.
I got you.
You about to see.
I'm finna go over there and see what this shit look like, girl. Girl. Like straight like that.
You got it live.
And it's still early, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of crashing a little bit, but brother whipped up that food and actually kind of powered me back up. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Oh God.
I ain't even sleepy like I was. I didn't power back up. You know what I'm saying?
Wait.
So
I need to
we finna go see what this sweet sis looking like. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but
Bridget called a ride. So we finna jump on with him. This like the. So he told me boat. They got some shit called boat. Boat like the BOLT. You know what I'm saying? That's like Uber for out here. You know what I'm saying? Cause I've been kind of getting ripped off from what he tells me. You know what I'm saying? Like I paid, I think, $40 to get here. Dude tried to charge me $100. Girl, like, man, they can put charge you $25 on boat. You know what I'm saying? So download boat. But you know, my phone service kind of jacked up out here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to download more boat. You know what I'm saying? So I can get around a little bit more cheaper. You feel me? But that's how it go. You know what I'm saying? You gotta move like the local grind, though. You heard me? For real, but we finna rate on this other motorcycle and
Motorbike.
go to Soy 6. Wow, with me. Y'all heard what that boy just said. That boy said, get your camera ready.
You finna go crazy, nigga. I got jumped off an aerial accident the first time I came out this bitch. I'm like, what the fuck was going on? Nigga, this shit was crazy.
Nigga say he got dropped off at Soy 6 by accident. It was like, holy shit.
On this car.
Like, what is this?
Try to set me up, like. Nigga was 10 years old when he started driving this motherfucker. He
is old as fuck.
Nigga, you 70. Nigga, you 70.
Oh, man.
Get over it. You 70 now.
Oh, shit. Hey, what's up? My boy say it's poppin'.
Alright, something that's gonna fuck your head up, nigga.
Soy 6. I couldn't even show y'all. This shit was so fucking wild.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
That was like the wildest street I ever been on in my life. And the street wasn't even that long, but you talking about some wild shit. What the fuck? Soy 6. If you watching this and you ever in Thailand, Soy 6. It's gonna fuck your head up. It's gonna be some shit you ain't never seen. Like, for real. They probably don't see black folk like that either, you know what I'm saying? But they just attack us like.
Wilding out, bro.
They attack us like we celebrities or something, you know what I'm saying? Like, I swear, you'd have thought I was Future or somebody walking down the street.
Well, him.
For real. For real.
Him like below.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, like, I don't even know if I even want to go back down that street.
Oh,
like, for real.
too much.
That street was just that wild, man, like. But,
Tree Town.
he said we finna
We're gonna go to Tree Town. We're finna go to Tree Town. It's like Soy 6, but it's like a 10 times less than Soy 6. Soy 6 is like the top of the top out of this bitch. It's crazy.
I got you.
I told the homie, I said, get ready, shit finna get real. He was like, yeah? I'm like, yes, sir. Nigga showed up, the nigga didn't know what to do with the fucking self. He like, what the fuck is going on? Nigga went
I've never seen nothing like this, like ever in my life. It was just, look, I couldn't even show y'all because it was so much going on in a matter of seconds. Like literally, as soon as we bent the corner.
This is going crazy.
This is crazy. This is crazy. Like, I swear it was 10,000 girls
Colombia or Thailand,
just grabbing us. Just grabbing
Colombia
us.
or Thailand?